back to my channel. Today I'm going to attempt to do a very easy tie-dye. First time I have tried this since like middle school, but we're gonna try it. I got all of the supplies at Michaels and Kohls, two places that have free store pickup, and you just drive up and they give it to you, and it's the easiest thing ever. First things first, change into just a simple top that I don't mind if it gets messy. Put my hair up so it's out of the way, and let's get to it. Put all of these pieces in the wash so they are still damp. I read online that it's better kind of if they're damp. Starting with the pink dye because I have more of a clear idea of how I want to do it, and if it gets messed up I don't really mind. Yellow, I'm going to do more of an ombre effect, so I'm going to do that one next after I kind of figure it out. This looks a little bit dark compared to the light pink color that it's supposed to look like, so I'm gonna add some more hot water. I'm gonna go ahead and dip it and hope that it comes out a little lighter, but I'm gonna do a very light base anyways after. Drop my phone in that whole bucket. So be careful when you're doing this and trying to film at the same time. It's looking pretty dark pink now, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it in the laundry room sink. I actually decided to scratch that and start with a fresh bucket of hot water, and I'm going to add just a very, very minimal amount of the powder dye to make it a very light pink. It's so pretty! So I'm going to let those sit there for another little bit and then rinse them out and then add them to this. I think it has sat for long enough in this color, so I'm going to rinse it in some cold water and then transfer it to here and just let it sit in there for a little bit. I actually just realized I need to take the ties off before I put them in here. So next up is a yellow, and I'm going to do the shorts like before, but then the top I'm going to do an ombre kind of effect, so I hope this works. And these are looking so cute and pink all over. I'm excited for the results. I don't have anything to stir it with, so I'm just gonna kind of, stir it with my hand. So for this one, I'm going to be very, very careful with it because I literally only want this very top section to be the dark yellow. Just going to let this sit for a little bit and then add more hot water to this to kind of dilute the color and put the next part in. Just added some more hot water to make the color a little diluted and added the next section in. So I'm going to let that sit for a bit and then pour out probably half of the water and add some more hot water so it's really a light color. The pink is looking really good and I think it's as pink as I want it to be. So I'm gonna rinse it out and then put it in a plastic bag. Now this is looking pretty much like how I want it to look. It looks a little more yellow in person than that white, but I think I'm gonna take it out now and put it in the bag to set. You can kind of see the color a little better this way, but I think it turned out really cute. Now they're both in bags, so I'm gonna let it sit, I think, until tomorrow morning or afternoon, and then I'm gonna wash them and see how they turned out.